The Mumbai musicians. Once upon a time there lived a donkey named Gupu. He had worked for many years in the house of a farmer. He had carried many heavy sacks of corn and sugarcane from the farm to the factory. He was now very tired and old. The farmer said to Gupu, "You are a good donkey. Take this sack of corn and go and see the world before you become too old." Gupu smiled and said goodbye. He set off towards the city of Mumbai. "I am good at music. I will go to Mumbai and be a musician there." On the way he met a dog. "Where are you going?" asked Gupu. "I am going to Mumbai to be a musician. Would you like to come too?" asked Gupu. "Yes, I would," replied Gupu. Off went the two friends on the dusty road to Mumbai. They saw a ball of fur in the middle of the road. "Who are you?" they asked. "I am Furry, the cat," said the cat. "Would you like to come with us to become a musician?" asked Dupu and Gupu together. Debatshira dadari di lupse kasati. Dumji bache kardum the Mumbai musicians. Mumbai ta sajaji ba bobele yamatu chala bobele to. Dindi ni kasa shetan rayang wala nare she mada she bala na dindi la na tisro. Ta rayang tang ki rang la kucho sa ta musician. Ya shetan ye la singer le ra. Ta Mumbai khajna na Mumbai la demo thamye ta dindi ye kalore. Dindi changma phai la chomge to ati ye phat dike ki sara. Once upon a time, Tushilas Ranyama Tushila, there lived a donkey named Gupu. There Yama Yimashla ni Kaza Pungu ni Dupula Kenjures, Mila Duputa Kenjures. He had worked for many years in the house of a farmer. The Korani Lagachibares Sula to hear Mambujlara for many years. Lo Mambuj Ringa Lagachibares called Chere in the house of farmer. Ni Shimbaji Nanda and Lo Mambu Lagachibares. He had carried many heavy sacks of corn and sugar cane. The Neko Karikibare Mambupe and heavy sacks. Sacks lana manzu togo doa the little. Manzo in a bore lega. The dela the day Jibutsao Mambupe Kibares. Kari Tore and the Harsang so ye market down, corn down, sugar cane. Lana so ye Jikasa dila sugar cane colors. Mamush Tungas, ra. Don't I dare change him. And so the Zirche and the Chudona di Chikarsa, Tibal Pengo ledge on the sugar cane, ra. Dini Mawukibare is told, ra. From the farm to the factory, the Kane Kibare Shingane Surabado Kibares. He was now very tired and old. Ta ko ani kale khache dene gengo chatures. The farmer said to Gupu, "Kare shimba di Gupu la labares. You are a good donkey, kirani punguyabu shires. Take this sack of corn and go and see the world before you become too old." Dene kira di kiches ra. Tanda di maki to di kiche. Dene kira droshos. Dene khachore zamni thonsala ta zamni tagal. Ta zamni tagal zambada saja logal gula ra. Saja madra la goose. Before you become too old. Kirani gengo pet too old na gengo pet pe gengo chayajura ta pe gengo machangila chi too la de yang ko ra tanda too la de pe ko da hajang la da de lega ta gengo pe machangila kirani samni taga gyos samni da kain sanda ko shinga na de dralo ise ganza dene me acha saja shembale gyos ra to de kich Gupu smiled and said goodbye. Gupu ki gimu shoches ta gimu la ora zum ro ten che de ne pare bye lavares. Then he set off the tembala korda. Ra kono tembares kan tembare towards the city of Mumbai. Then koachola tembare 아니 모바일 계사 졸라 바튼 바레스 드네 코팅이도 왔다 돼요 체 네 I am good at music 칼라레 마 셰라가 와서 르양 거위 르양 라 야고 유스 nga 르양 땅 야고 유스 I will go to Mumbai and be a musician there ngara ani mobile ro che de nga phaila ni 르양 키 르양 트레 키 차기 on the way he met a dog on the way lana lamdaga ra lamgala sutu bare kishitu bares where are you going asked dubu lana kidimiji komina gobuimba dubuda gobuchi dubu ikishi warsa kidi I am going to Mumbai to be a musician ma Mumbai la ani royan treke laura royan dongge de reji chaga doge is chiga doge is would you like to come too asked gobu keraya yungye tudo bes la keraya la tanda de yang khota keraya yungye tudo bes yes I would ma yungye tudo replied nengabar yes dupugi lengabar off went the two friends off went lazmata to doshabare la jura ndila khota two friends on the dusty road to Mumbai dusty road la ta langa tis thela sup so imba chachra tine khora thobuni de tine Mumbai la da dobares they saw a ball of fire in the middle of the road tine langa kimadla ni ball of fire la zamada pu imba jla pu khora be pu kyang yang ke ni poli do thong bares who are you they asked konzuki je tibare swim besk I am Furry the cat nga ani puje ta Furry la sa pu mangbo yekin la Furry la ra pu thu po de ni do simje ga de la Furry la ra nga ani pu thu po je na da la de his me ni kishimiji la ra said the cat would you like to come with us to become a musician kera ani nganzu nyam do yong ni thu ga bes ani kharchaila ani royan tegi chaya la nganzu nyam do yong ni thu ga bes asked Gopu and Dupu together. Korani nyamdo kijiti bares.